Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to just show you one of my tips how I never ever clean my carpets in the spring like many of you guys. And look what I have here. These have been here all winter, so I have them nicely tucked in. And look at this beauty. This is my trusty sprayer. Look at this. Now if you find this a little bit ugly, what you can do, you can get these in a black color. It's gonna blend in a lot easier. But let's get this out a little bit and see. Look at that carpet. Look at this beauty. This is how you're supposed to, what you're supposed to do. Rip this off in the spring when it gets nice and warm. And guess what? You don't ever, now look at this, well, it's all protected. And then same here. You don't ever have to store your all weather mats. You don't have to do anything. And look at this beauty. In 2 weeks, I'm gonna rip this off. I'm gonna have a brand new carpets, and I'm all ready to rock and roll. Hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care.